Go. All meeting the session and. First order of business, I believe, is to open the sealed bids. The advertised bids were for. Crushing and stockpiling of 40,000 tons of 3/4 inch road base. Was advertised.
At the bottom, it was advertised.
There we go, published on this January 6th, 13th, and 20th, in the Post Register. Anything else on there that needs to be put in the record? Okay, then, look, we have two bids.
Open the one and read off the information there before you.
Okay. Proposal Bonneville County. From on there. Brett Price Excavation Incorporated. $11,750.
So is that the bid bond amount?
Yes. Couple bid proposal guarantee. That's $11,750. The total amount of the bid is $230,000. Unit price of $5.75
So it was 230,000.
yard, so it's 235,000.
235,000.
235,000. Read that. 5,000 is a mobilization fee. That makes sense to me. Yeah. Project number.
Don't need the project number. I need to make sure they have the public works license number in there.
Appreciate that. Not accustomed to this.
And I don't need the number. I just need to know that it's there.
Bid proposal from Premier LLC. Bid with the unit price of $648. Total amount of the bid is $259,200. A bond of $12,960. That's it. That last page, last page of form. It didn't bring that.
We'll take it back and evaluate it, and if it's not there, we'll double check all the math and make sure it works.
Question. How does that? What was the price of unit price of our last crush? 2 years ago.
Well, we did a crush in last in 2016
Oh, it was that far
Yeah.
ago? I've done one.
At this pit,
at this, I think it was this, 2016.
No, we've done one since then.
We did some crushes that we paid for up on,
I thought we did one for that big project we did out west when we.
that was. When was that,
2018.
2018, 2019, I don't know.
I'd have to go back and look.
Yeah.
We did a half-inch chip crush since then also, but then that's,
That's a different thing.
but yeah, your 3/4 road base, the last one we did was the one up in Britain Pit, which is the one that,
Yeah,
yeah, west.
Do you remember what the
I
unit
don't
price of
remember
that
what that
was?
was. I
interesting to see how much it's changed.
I don't, I'll have to, I can tell you, I can look it up.
Okay.
So we'll evaluate this and bring it back next week for. to double check on it. That's the only other thing on the agenda is the, on DocuSign, it's the notice to proceed for 45th East Widening project.
Yeah, I read that. Make a motion that we approve that, sign that to proceed.
Okay. Second that.
That's unanimous.
Yeah.
I think it only calls for one signature on it, but Thank you.
Right.
That's it. as
Yeah,
far as your-
Before you leave, Mr. Ray, thank you. At least thank your crew for everything this winter. It's been kind of a tough winter to keep roads. It's been a long one. Plowed off, yeah.
Yeah, we're on into April.
It needs to warm up.
Thank you.
Will do.
Yeah,
Thank
we
you.
haven't lost snow since it came in before Thanksgiving, I think.
Yeah, I had a crew out all weekend, last weekend.
Yeah, I know. It seems like every weekend's when it snows.
Oh, yeah, and looking like it's gonna do this one too.
Well, please thank them and thank you for everything you do.
Thank
That's
you.
a tough job.
Yeah, thank you.
You're there. I don't know if this lady's here for a specific reason, but
I'm just observing for the Republican Party.
Thank you for being here.
and your name is.
Cheryl.
We have a pretty
Icy cold morning.
Yeah.
Anything else?
Nope,
Uh,
unless you want to weigh in on the idea about the pothole identifier on the. I think
As long
we
as
have
my
great
name's
fun
not
with
on
that.
Only other thing was the development agreement for Elevate Academy. I think he's gonna be reaching out to you. I talked to him this morning. He just had some questions about either bonding for the road improvements or building it out and kind of building it out similar to what we did in the RC Willie development agreement. If we could put in there something like the roads will be built before the building is given a CO. If not, the county will lien the property for the money amount and construct the roads. You wanted to discuss that.
Okay, I guess, I'll wait to see. I hesitate to have the county clean it. I'd much rather see it built before.
Yeah,
things
and
happen.
if you don't wanna do it that way, we can just hold the CO too until they're done.
Yeah.
So,
Well, I mean, it comes back to out there on Snake River Landing. The reports we have from the asphalt are not showing up good. They put it down in clear violation of our standards and ISPW standards with the weather limitations. And we have a meeting with the developer tomorrow to discuss this with them. And it's just like, these roads are supposed to be here and there's criteria used to make sure that we get at least a 20-year road out of it. And they bladed off snow to lay down asphalt.
Yeah.
Yeah, I just, this is making me highly uncomfortable.
so what's our recourse then in that situation?
Well, that's what we need to talk with the developer about right now. We don't accept the roads, or we come up with other conditions to make sure that we can accept the roads. And that's what discussion is gonna be tomorrow, so.
Who is the developer?
They haven't gone out.
Oh, really? It's that road?
It's
Really?
Gateway and Pioneer,
Oh,
yeah.
yeah, they tried to hurry and get that done.
well, that's gonna be a high use, heavy
It's gonna
traffic
be a
road.
huge, heavy
That's gotta
traffic.
be up to standards.
And the compaction testing came back, meaning compaction, but the weather limitations. It was 24 degrees and 26 degrees and they're blading off snow before they lay down asphalt. It's supposed to be 35. and It's 45 for the ground temperature.
Yeah.
35 for the ambient air temperature. And I mean, it's a huge concern.
Yeah.
To me. The scenes look terrible out there. We're gonna have bird bass. We're gonna have water ponding in the middle of it.
Potholes.
Who laid it?
The PACO for Oakland Construction, who's working for, again, we go back, our development agreement is with
Well,
Belknap.
Well, and I think this guy on the school, was just looking for some options. I think he was pretty open to what
Yeah,
he could put in there, but I just told him, I said, our main concern is regardless, we're gonna wanna make sure that road gets built, so we've
Yeah.
gotta have some protection in there for us. And
well, the road bill as well as this pedestrian pathway down there that did not show up on the improvement drawings the first go around.
yeah,
And so I haven't seen a second set of review plans back from them yet.
Yeah.
So,
okay,
So depending on how it goes with the developer out there, then at Gateway, we hold the CO, is that dependent on it, or
we haven't accepted their
we
oath,
haven't accepted the
so
if we don't accept the road?
they can't move into the building.
Yeah.
Right,
Yeah,
that's where I'm going.
Yeah.
Okay,
So depending on the conversation, you very well could be hearing from Devin pretty quick.
yeah, probably. Cause when are they planning on moving into that building?
Fairly soon.
That's what I'm
to
talking.
begin, I think, by the end of February.
Yeah, Oakland Construction wants to turn it over pretty soon. But
That's not gonna work.
How, how do you guarantee they're gonna come fix the road?
Yeah, you're looking at 3, 4, 5 months away, at least, no more than that.
oh, well, it could be years away before things fall apart enough, but.
Right, but I mean, to fix the road so that we
Well-
accept it.
Yeah.
So,
To go back.
If we make them normally, right, they have like a year
A warranty.
warranty. Can we, is it a possibility that we could extend that warranty period?
Violate
15 years.
violate the warranty.
That's what I'm wondering though, is just say, because,
You
you
think they
know,
gotta do it right.
this wasn't constructed, I don't know.
Well,
I don't know if we could look at something like that, I was
that
just
is
thinking,
an option, but as an option of a 15-year warranty, who keeps track of it?
And
That's the
and
problem.
who's gonna be around to,
make
on
sure
their
it
side.
actually
Yeah.
happens.
you don't have guarantee unless we
Because
got a
again,
bond.
we have a development agreement with Devon. He's contracted with Oakland to build the building. He's
Contract.
contracted with the
Have to
packer,
go
with the
with
lady
the road.
on that.
How long is it? How long's the road?
On probably total of close to half a mile.
It goes all the way from Sunnyside around Smith Group and then.
$1 million worth of road?
Oh,
To pull it out, or,
but, yeah,
or
to pull it out, I
pull it
mean.
out, I mean, you can't just go over the top, they gotta,
Yeah, well,
so,
yeah, that is the way to ensure. that
Right,
It gets built
because
right. Tear it
gonna
out.
have a guaranteed lamination issue. ready.
Yeah.
They paint you over a dirty car.
There's a checks and
Bad idea.
balances. We don't have any say that they either lay it to specifications or they don't lay it.
We have in our specification weather limitations. And they're not supposed to lay it if it doesn't meet those weather limitations.
Obviously,
So did we miss the mark in not stopping them back then?
Well, we don't because we don't have an inspector out on every job all the time. We don't, we can't have somebody at every single construction project.
no, and we knew when they would, get it right after they'd done it.
So
Well, they-
that's-
if they're just-
We rely on the testing firm that they've hired to go out there and do the testing with it to tell them whether it should be done or not. Because they know our standards. It's in the development agreement that they follow our standards. It's in the improvement drawings that they follow our standards. So this is on the people putting it down, but it's, I mean,
Patco,
Connect
they know better.
Engineering is the ones that were doing the testing, and supposedly there's a letter out there from Oakland absolving Connect Engineering from any responsibility, but I haven't seen it.
I think that was on Freedom Acres.
All is on Freedom Maker, don't think. But it's just, the testing firm that's out there watching it, doing it at the time, should have told them, stop, don't do it. Many times the people who are laying that asphalt that's already on the way, they don't necessarily follow that direction. And that's at their own risk at that point.
Well, I hold them to it.
That's why, I mean, when we got first results back on this and then what was going on, I come to the commissioners. It's been over a month ago, like, this, we're concerned. And nothing that I've seen as far as data since that point has absolved those concerns.
You say there's a meeting on this tomorrow.
Hey,
Hey.
bring better news next week.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah. Stop recording.
No, so is next week canceled?
Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
It is canceled, so it won't be next week.